Let's now go to acupuncture for emergencies. Let's discuss burns. For burns, fire, boiling water, and similar, we can use bleeding therapy on the lung 11 point. Use acupuncture on local skin in the middle and around the skin lesion. And then on the UB12, UB13, spleen 10, kidney 9, and SJ5 points. Use herbal tea, Yu Tang, without the herb Xiao Yao, but with Shuti, Longu, and Muli in the formula. Smear on an herbal oil of Muli and herb Dai Huang and the Li Huang, all ground into powder and mixed with sesame oil. If there are blisters on the skin, burn the herb Shi Chang Fu into ash and mix the ash in the oil lotion above to use. Use folk therapy. Use 30 grams of beeswax and 280 ml bean oil. Mix the wax and oil and melt. Clear the wound and smear the paste on the affected skin. If there is no bean oil, simply smear clear honey on the affected skin. Smear soy sauce on the affected skin before you can find some other way for healing. Use soda diluted with six-fold of water. Wash the skin, not broken skin, with the soda water. Use 30 grams of white sugar and 3 grams of bomiol bingtian. Grind the material into powder. Mix the sesame oil to make a paste. Apply to the burned skin. Mix liquor and wheat powder to prepare a paste. Apply the paste on the affected skin. Change it whenever the paste becomes dry. Put old cucumber pulp into the bottle. Keep it in soil 3 feet deep for 1 week. Smear the juice on the bottle on the affected skin. Use old cucumber juice, pulp removed before the juice is made. Grind the cucumber into juice. Smear the juice on the affected skin. Smear pumpkin juice on the affected skin. Smear pumpkin cane juice on the affected skin. Bake wax gourd. Peel until yellow in color. Grind it into powder. Mix with a little sesame oil. Smear it on the affected skin. For scalds, use 100 grams of banana. Grind it into mud. Apply to the affected skin twice a day. Thank you for your attention.